Hendrickson's zero-maintenance damping system is engineered to eliminate the need for shock absorbers, while providing uniform and consistent damping over the life of the air spring. Visit shockless-zmd.com to learn more.
Hi, I'm David Sickles with Fleet Equipment Magazine. Welcome to FE on the Road. In a world where many fleet managers still cite batteries as one of the top factors in downtime and increased maintenance, what can be done to fix the issue? First, let's take a look at how a traditional lead-acid battery works. This type of battery creates lead sulfate and water out of lead and sulfuric acid, which in turn generates electricity. Over time, large, more stable lead sulfate crystals, which cannot be reversed back to lead and sulfuric acid, eventually form. This process, they call it sulfating, prevents the battery from receiving a full charge and will inevitably lead to the failure of the battery. One promising emerging trend are batteries being built with absorbent glass mat technology, or AGM. While you might pay a bit more upfront, these batteries have a lower propensity for sulfating, which in theory leads to a significant extension in battery life. This is done by placing a glass mat in between the positive and negative plates that absorbs and holds the battery's acid and prevents it from flowing freely inside the battery. According to Enersys, which manufactures and distributes batteries for fleet vehicles, AGM batteries offer lower internal electrical resistance, which means the engine won't have to provide as much power to the alternator, which in turn helps improve fuel economy. Another new technology to keep your eye on is battery desulfation via a battery reconditioner. These devices are installed directly onto the battery pack and emit a continuous, high-voltage, microsecond spike at the battery to continuously break down and prevent the formation of these large sulfate crystals. According to one manufacturer, Canada's Power Systems, these batteries are rising in popularity across Europe and many commercial vehicle platforms, and they expect similar acceptance will soon take place in North American markets. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.